Game.
Okay, so this is your uterus. If it's pointed here, what part is this? Fundus. If it's in here, it's the body of the uterus. So this one is your fallopian tube. This one is your ovary.
Ovary?
Fallopian tube, ovary. So if this is your fallopian tube, what do you call yung finger-like sa dulo? It's fimbria. Then it is attached to what part? Infundibulum.
Yay!
The wider part here is yung ampulla. Then going to a narrower part called your isthmus. When it's tagged here, nearest to the uterus, this is your interstitial or intramural segment.
What's
The shortest segment. So, this is your broad ligament. What do you call the ligament going to the inguinal canal? The round ligament. So, ano yung homologous nito sa male? Going to the inguinal ligament.
Ay, hindi pala.
Spermatic cord. Yan. So, if this is your ovarian vessel, what do you call the ligament that encloses those ovarian vessels? Infundibulopelvic.
Di ba yung false?
It's the same with the falls. And if this is your ovary, ano yung nagko-cover dyan? Mesosalping. But the ligament here is your true ligament. So there's one ligament pa, yung cardinal ligament. So if it's your cervix here, the ligament that covers your cervix is the cardinal ligament. So if this is your rectum, at saka ito yung uterus, what do you call this pouch?
Douglas.
Recto-uterine or cul-de-sac of Douglas. This is your urinary bladder. This is your uterus. What pouch yun nandyan? Recto-uterine pouch. And so far, yun lang.
That's it?
Yeah.